All right, we got the Fanttik A10 Pro tape measure. Couple things that I'm going to tell you why you need this. It's going to measure with the actual tape measure up to 9.8 feet, and then with the laser, 165 feet. That is awesome. You get a ton of distance. Go ahead and cut it on here, holding down our power button. We're going to have it come on just like that. You have a dual functioning tape measure on both sides. You have the ability to put this on a stand, and you can use it as a bubble from a different level there. You have an option. Check out all the functions here. You have laser. We have, let's go back. So we have, get back into it. And boom. We have distance measure. We have bubble. We have volume mass. We have area mass, distance measure, and then bubble. So tons of different features, all just by that dropping and going in each different section. So it is super simple. Really, really easy to use. Let's go ahead and go. So let's take a look. As we go here, you're going to notice we got our distance 0.92. I can put hold on that. Going to get a little more, just like so. And you can see right there, it's holding all those distances for me without any issues. Man, this thing is super sweet. That is a couple of the reasons why the Fanttik is awesome. You do have a magnetic piece on the other end here. Not sure what I got magnetic behind me. Let's go ahead and see if we got anything. Look how firm this tape measure is too. No, that's not magnetic. Okay, let's see. What about, look at that. On the screw, on the wall. Look at that. That is super sweet. So it is magnetic on the end. Another cool, neat little feature right there with regards to it. But this thing is super sweet. You got to check out the Fanttik A10 Pro when it comes to your tape measure needs. You throw this in the drawer at home, and it is going to make every home project or professional project easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Check it out.